Hi everyone, this is me, Teacher Alexis, and welcome to Grade 8 Math class. To start our discussion today, let us read each question carefully and choose the letter of the correct answer. This will serve as a short review of our previous lesson. Number 1. What is the name of the point where the x-axis and y-axis intersect? A. Axis, B. Center, C. Origin, or D. Quadrant? Alright, the answer here is letter C. Origin. Number 2. What do you call the horizontal number line in the Cartesian plane? A. Origin, B. Quadrant, C. X-axis, or D. Y-axis? Correct. That is letter C. X-axis. Number 3. What is formed by two perpendicular number lines that intersect at a point? A. Cartesian plane, B. Number line, C. Quadrant, or D. Triangle? Okay, the answer is letter A. Cartesian plane. Number 4. What is the vertical number line in the Cartesian plane called? A. Center line, B. X-axis, C. Y-axis, or D. Z-line? Correct. The answer is letter C. Y-axis. Number 5. What do you call the regions in a Cartesian plane formed by the x-axis and y-axis? A. Circles, B. Halves, C. Quadrants, or D. Zones? Very good. The answer is letter C. Quadrants. Okay, at this point, we are going to talk about plotting of points in the Cartesian plane. So you will learn on how to plot points on the Cartesian plane. Each point in the Cartesian plane can be identified by a pair of numbers called ordered pair. It is any point located in the Cartesian plane. There is another term to be used for ordered pair. At ang isang tawag pa doon ay coordinates. So don't forget, the other name for ordered pair is coordinates. So sinabing ordered pair, ibig sabihin from the word pair, pares. So laging may kapartner. So paano nga ba yan? So let us try to find out. The first number in an ordered pair is called abscissa or x-coordinate. It denotes the distance of the point from the y-axis. So take note of the word abscissa because abscissa, its spelling is confusing. So don't forget, abscissa, we have A-B-S-C-I-S-S-A. So ito yung unang number sa ordered pair. The second number in an ordered pair is called the ordinate or the y-coordinate. It is the distance of the point from the x-axis. Okay, so our point is always in the form xy. It is enclosed with a parenthesis, and then we have x as the first number in the ordered pair, and then y as the second number in the ordered pair. Ordered pair or coordinates. Dahil dalawa nga yung number dito, it has their own name. Let us start with x or the first number in an ordered pair. Ang tawag natin sa unang number sa ordered pair ay x-coordinate. Another term for x-coordinate is abscissa. So ang tawag natin sa first number ay x-coordinate or abscissa. Kung may tawag tayo sa first number in the ordered pair, there is also a term to be used for the second number in the ordered pair, which is y, and that is known as y coordinate or ordinate. So, ibig sabihin niyan, yung kanina, ang kabuuang point kasi natin is known as coordinates. Kung yun ay coordinates, iba yung ordinate doon. Kasi yung coordinates or ordered pair, it is the point located in the Cartesian plane, but ordinate is just a part of the coordinates. Okay, so sana na nagigets ninyo na yung ordinate is just a part of coordinates. So let's give example of a point that can be seen or that can be located in the Cartesian plane. Let us say we have 4, 3. Okay, 4, 3 is an example of a point in the Cartesian plane. Ang tamang pagbasa is dire-diretso lang, 4, 3. Hindi natin to pwedeng basahin na 4, 3. 4 and 3. The quantity 4, 3. Okay, so those are the mistakes or those are the wrong way of reading this point because the correct way is just read it through 4, 3. That's it. Let us say we are going to plot point A, 3, negative 4. Okay, so yun nga palang mga point natin is pinapangalanan natin using capital letters in the alphabet. So from point A to point Z, pwede natin siyang pangalanan. Use capital letters. Okay, so this point, point A, 3, negative 4. Yun yung point niya or yung coordinates niya. 3, negative 4 represents a point on the Cartesian plane. It is different from 3 times the quantity negative 4 because 3 times the quantity negative 4 denotes multiplication. So tapos na tayo dito dati. This is a sign of multiplication kapag ka may parenthesis. Yes, may parenthesis din yung ating point 3 negative 4 but it is not multiplication. We are talking about the point in the Cartesian plane this time. Okay? So these two is different from one another. So this is multiplication. This is a point. Okay. So now let us try to plot point A in the Cartesian plane. So if we are going to plot point A in the Cartesian plane, we will be needing a Cartesian plane. Okay, so this is the Cartesian plane that we will be using. Now, our point is in the form xy. So dun sa ating point A, ang x-coordinate is 3, ang y-coordinate is negative 4. Or may iba pang tawag. Ang abscissa is 3, ang ordinate ay negative 4. Let us try to plot. Step 1. We will start at the origin. So, nasa ang origin natin sa Cartesian plane? Okay, ito. Nasa gitna. So, lagi daw tayo magsisimula sa origin if we are plotting a point on the Cartesian plane. So, since we are now at the origin, step 2. Move x units horizontally along the x-axis. Ano yung x units na yan? Yung x units ay yung x-coordinate natin sa ating point A at ang x-coordinate natin is positive 3. Titignan daw natin yan sa x-axis. So from our x-axis, ito yon. Hahanapin natin yung positive 3. Nasaan ba si positive 3? So from 0 or origin, nasan yung positive 3 along the x-axis? Ayun. So that is positive 3. So dito tayo pupunta. Yan. So our point now is in this part of the Cartesian plane pero hindi pa dyan natatapos. So kung nagsimula tayo sa x-coordinate sa x-axis, step 3 will be then move y units vertically. Yung y units vertically manggagaling sa ating y coordinate na negative 4. Ang titignan naman natin ngayon is, since this is vertically, y-axis naman ang titignan natin. So kung yan ay negative 4, it's either going upward or going downward. But since this is negative 4, so it's downward because the negative integers along the y-axis goes downward. So 4 units below. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is now our point because this is negative 4. At ayan na ang ating magiging point. And step number 4, draw the point and label it point A. So ayan. Kaya yung point A natin na pangalan ng point, lagay lang natin sa kahit saang part na malapit sa ating pinakang point, which is the dot here. And this is our point A. So I will just repeat. Pwede din natin gawing na ganito yon. So, sa ating point A na 3, negative 4, ang x-coordinate is 3, hahanapin lagi natin yan sa x-axis, laging una ang x. So, that is positive 3, ito yung positive 3. At yun namang y-coordinate natin, hahanapin sa y-axis na negative 4. So, from the y-axis, ito yung negative 4. At pagtagpuin lang natin yung dalawang number na yon. At dito sila magtatagpo, and this is point A. Okay, so now, the question is, where is point A located? Saan ba natin makikita si point A? Okay, that's correct. It is located at quadrant 4. Kasi nasa quadrant 4 natin si point A. This is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3. So point A is located at quadrant number 4. Okay, so that is on how to plot a point on the Cartesian plane. Okay, so this time, we are going to plot point B, negative 6, 9. So, alamin muna natin dito sa point B, ang x-coordinate niya ay negative 6. Ang y-coordinate niya, 9. Baguhin ko lang yung tawag. Ang abscissa ay negative 6. Ang ordinate ay positive 9. Okay, so we will be needing a Cartesian plane to plot point B. So, ang ating point is in the form xy. A point is any or can be located at any part of the Cartesian plane. So for us to plot point B, let us start with the first step, start at the origin. Alam natin ang origin is the point of intersection of the x and y axis. So this is the starting point, and then move x units horizontally along the x-axis. Yung x units na yan manggagaling sa point B na negative 6 kasi x ang laging inuuna natin. So negative 6, where is negative 6 along the x-axis? So nasan ba dyan? So ayun, yung negative 6. So this will be our next point. Dyan na tayo ngayon pupunta. At hindi natin bibitawan to get the point because the next step is then move y units vertically. Yung vertically na yon manggagaling sa y-axis. So ang y-coordinate natin is positive 9. So since this is positive, so it goes upward because it's positive. So dito na yung ating positive 9 na kailangan pantay mismo sa positive 9 sa ating y-axis. So ayan, dapat pantay siya. So this is now our point B. Don't forget to write or draw the point and label it B. Dapat kalapit lang ng ating point or ng ating dot yung pangalan niya, which is point B. Okay, so therefore, point B is here. Pwede rin naman natin gamitin na pagtagpuin na lang sila along the x and y axis. Parang ganito. So yung point B with negative 6 as abscissa, nandito yung negative 6, and positive 9 nandito, pagtagpuin mo lang sila, and this is now point B. Okay, so now the question is, where is point B located? Okay, very good. Point B is located at quadrant 2. Yan, kita naman natin na yung point B is in quadrant 2. Now, let us try to plot point C, 0, negative 5. In point C, the abscissa is 0, the ordinate is negative 5. To plot this point, we will need a Cartesian plane. Our point is in the form xy. First number is the x-coordinate and second number is the y-coordinate. The first step for us to plot point C is we will start at the origin. Okay, so this is the origin. And then, step number 2, move x units horizontally along the x-axis. At titignan natin yung ating abscissa sa ating point C. At nakita natin ang abscissa ay 0. So, ibig sabihin niyan, kung nasa x-axis tayo pupunta pa kaliwa or kanan and that is 0, so you will not move. You will not move to the left or to the right kasi 0. So, remain ka lang dyan kasi hindi ka gagalaw. Na andito kasi yung 0 natin along the x-axis. Did you understand? Okay. So, kaya hindi ka gagalaw from the origin kasi 0 eh. And then, that's a step 2. Next, step 3, then move y units vertically. So sa y-axis naman tayo titingin at ang y-coordinate natin is negative 5. So along the y-axis, negative 5 is below 0 at ito yon. Kaya naandito yung ating point. Okay, ayan. So, meaning to say, since hindi naman tayo gumalaw kanina sa step 2, bababa lang tayo along the y-axis, negative 5, and that is 5 units below 0. So, this is now our point. Draw the point and label it C. O, yung C kahit saang part na malapit sa ating point para malaman natin na itong point na to is point C. Is that clear? Okay. The question is, where is point C located? Saan natin makikita sa Cartesian plane si point C? Is it quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, or quadrant 4? Okay, hindi natin makikita si point C sa kahit saang quadrant because point C is located along the y-axis. So kapag ganito yung nangyari, the question is, where is point C located? You can say, point C is located at y-axis. That's it. To be specific, pwede nating sabihin na point C is located at negative y-axis because this is located at the negative part of the y-axis. Okay? So if our given, for example, point C, if one of the coordinates is 0, the coordinates or the point is located in either the x-axis or the y-axis. Kapag ka nasa x-coordinate yung 0, makikita siya sa y-axis. Kapag ka naman nangyari na yung 0 is yung y-coordinate, makikita natin siya sa x-axis. Okay. Let us now reverse the process. So this time, I'm going to give the points on the Cartesian plane such as point A to point F. You will be the one to give the coordinates or the ordered pair of the following points. Let us start with point A. What are the coordinates of point A? Correct. Point A, 2, 3. Point B, 3, negative 3. How about point C? Point C, negative 5, 4. Point D, 1, negative 5. Point E, 0, 1. Point F, negative 3, 0. Okay, so sana tumama kayo sa pagkuha ng point dito or pagkuha ng coordinates because this is very critical and this is very important na hindi natin pwedeng baliwalain lang. Okay, so this is your question to be answered in the comment section of our video. Is point F 73 the same as point G 37? I will repeat. Is point F 73 the same as point G 37? Yes or no? And why? Okay, so that would be all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you learned something about plotting of points on the Cartesian plane. And see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.